Planning and contraception. Good evening, everyone. This is Mr. Francis Vasquez. I'm going to discuss family planning and contraception. Okay, so family planning and contraception. Okay, pag sinabi nating family planning, okay, this is the use of the range of methods of fertility regulation in order to, so ano yung mga purposes ng family planning. Number one, to avoid unwanted births or to avoid unwanted pregnancy. To bring about wanted births of pregnancy. Okay, ayaw mong mabuntis, gusto mong magbuntis. Regulate the number of children born. Okay, what is the recommended number of children per couple? The recommended number of children per couple, 2 to 3. Wala pa naman tayong one-child policy kagaya ng China. 2 to 3. Regulate intervals. And what is the recommended interval between two pregnancy? 3 to 5 years. Okay? Average na natin 3 years. Pag CS, yon. Okay? Ideal natin 5. To promote complete wound healing, to control time at which birth occurs, timing of the pregnancy. Okay? Ano ba ang sabi ng DOH about timing of the pregnancy? Okay? Pinapatulog na ako ng cellphone ko. Okay, ano ba ang sabi ng DOH about the timing of the pregnancy? If you get married, after you got married, okay, get pregnant at least 1 year after getting married. Bakit 1 year after getting married? Marami tayong assist, student assist, pa-admit na lang po yung mga nasa waiting room, please. Okay? So ulitin natin. What does the DOH recommend? Get pregnant 1 year after getting married. Para yung unang taon ng pagsasama, honeymoon phase. That's building memories together as a couple, not yet as a family. Pero syempre, depende yan sa edad. Okay? So ang ating risk factor, below 18 and above 35. Kaya ang ideal natin ay 20 to 30. Okay? Sa iba maaaring yung 20 bata pa. Walang problema doon. Okay? No problem. So halimbawa, you got married at the age of 25. Meron ka pang panahon para magbuntis. Kaya pwede ka magbuntis, recommended 26. Okay? Pero kung ikaw ay 31, palabas na ng kalendaryo, papasok ng loto, wala ka ng time. Can you follow? Kaya nagmamadali na yan. Kaya ang niyan, immediate goal niyan is to have a family. Yes or no? Yes. Depende yan sa edad. Okay? Nung ikaw ay nagpakasal. Pero as much as possible, kung nasa tamang edad, honeymoon phase, para binibinyagan nyo yung bawat baitang ng hagdan. Everything is memorable. Can you follow? Okay. O, nagkakaintindihan tayo, ha? These are the different purposes of family planning. Okay. Components ng family planning. Planning the pregnancy and preventing the pregnancy. Okay. Pag sinabi natin planning the pregnancy, timing, number of children, spacing. Yan yun. Okay. Planning the pregnancy entails to decide for the number of children, the timing of the pregnancy, and proper spacing. Paki-admit na lang po yung sham sa waiting room. Okay. So, planning and preventing the pregnancy. Now, sexual and reproductive health. Okay? Anong sinasabi dito? Okay? Good sexual and reproductive health is the state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being in all matters relating to reproductive system. Okay? And according to reproductive health bill or reproductive law, the couple must have satisfying sex life. Okay? The couple must have satisfying sex life. Couple. Hindi lang yung husband. Hindi lang yung wife. Dapat pareho sila. Okay? Capability to reproduce. Okay? Pero syempre, yung capability to reproduce, wala sa control natin yan. Kasi minsan, may mga taong infertile. Okay? Freedom to decide if, when, and how often to do so. Yung pagtatalik. Okay? So, ang mahalaga sa mag-asawa, meron silang satisfying and safe sex life. What do you mean by safe sex life? Dapat, kung mahal mo ang asawa mo, iniisip mo, okay? Iniisip mo ang kaligtasan niya. Hindi ka sumasama sa networking company. Wala kang upline, wala kang downline, wala kang left and right. Naka-sex. Kasi if you will be able to get the infection, you can infect, okay? You can infect your wife or husband. Tama o mali? Tama. Kaya anong sabi natin? Para ma-avoid ang STD, HIV, AIDS, we have to always remember MMR. Okay, ulit, ano nga ba yung MMR? Mutual monogamous relationship. Very good, Sophia. Mutual monogamous relationship. Okay? Mutual. Both of you agreed na kayo lang ang exclusive sex partner. Ano nga ba ulit ang theme song ng MMR? Ano nga ba ang theme song? At ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang, ganon. Okay? Hindi yung that's what friends are for. Nagkakaintindihan tayo, ha? Okay. Hindi rin yung hindi rin yung nagsimula ang lahat sa all fu. Ang barkada, ang barkada. Walang ganon, walang ganon. Okay, aral muna, ha? Aral muna. Okay. Next natin, okay? To maintain one's sexual and reproductive health, access to accurate information, safe and effective, affordable, and accepted method of contraception, okay? Of choice na dapat yan, okay? And they must be informed and empowered. Bakit informed and empowered? Okay? Because tayo mga nurses, we will discuss the different family planning or contraceptive methods. At the end, sino magde-decide? Sinong pipili? Sila. We will not be the one to choose for the couple. They will be the one to choose for themselves. Board exam question yan. Okay? It is an individual choice, not our choice. Okay? Sila ang mamimili. Okay? So, reproductive life plan. Okay? Dito, ang sinasabi lang naman dito, when and how to have children. When. How? Natural, ano ba to? Natural conception. Okay. So, ganoon lang naman yan. Now, if you do not want to have children, you might ask yourself, how do I plan to prevent pregnancy? Kasi ayaw mo magkaanak eh. So ang tanong, how do I plan to prevent pregnancy? Is it natural method or artificial method? What will I do if my partner becomes pregnant by accident? Okay. Anong gagawin nyo? Ayaw nyo magkaroon ng anak. Anong gagawin nyo dito? I-abort nyo ba? O itutuloy na lang? Okay. Sa Pilipinas, abortion is still not allowed to be performed. Okay? What steps can I take to be as healthy as possible? What medical conditions do I need to talk about with my doctor? Kasi yung diabetes, obesity, high blood pressure can affect fertility. Is it possible I could ever change my mind and want to have children one day? Yes. Okay, nasa sayo yon. Ikaw lang magdadala niyan. Okay? Yun yung mga tanong. Now, if you do want to have children one day, these are the questions. Am I ready to have a baby? Ngayon ba ready ka na? Ready ka na magka-baby ngayon? Ready ka na? Di pa. Wag muna. Okay? How old do I want to have when I start and when I stop having children? Anong gusto mong magsimula? Anong edad? Example, gusto ko magkaroon ng anak at the age of 25. Titigil na ako at the age of 30. Yan, yung mga ganon. How many years do I want between children? Between my children? Ang sabi natin, 3 to 5, ideally. What method do I plan to use to prevent pregnancy until I'm ready to have children? So habang hindi ka pa ready, pero gusto mo magkaroon ng anak, hanggang hindi ka pa ready, ano yung method? Natural, artificial, yung mga pag-uusapan natin. What, if anything, okay, do I want to change about my health? Kung mataba ka, kailangan mo bang magpapayat? Kung medyo payat na payat ka yan, kailangan mo bang medyo magpataba? Can you follow? Okay. What steps can I take to be as healthy as possible even I'm not ready to have children yet? Oh, consult. Okay? Ang first mo, magpa-consult ka. Okay? Para malalaman mo kung saan ka pa kulang. What medical conditions, okay, such as diabetes, obesity, high blood pressure, or other concerns do I need to talk about my doctor? Because if you want to get pregnant, sabi ka natin, this can affect fertility. Okay? Sir, yung baby ko college na. Oo nga, nagkaroon na tayo ng estudyante, mag-ina, magkaklase. O, di ba? Mag-ina, magkaklase. Okay. Ang nakakatuwa pa doon, yung nanay yung mas matalino. Yung nanay yung mas matalino, yung nanay yung mas masipag. Yung nanay yung duty ng duty, yung anak absent ng absent sa duty. O, di ba? Akala nga namin maiiwanan pa ng nanay yung anak niya eh. O, di ba? At magkaklase sila. Magka-duty kasi magka-apelido eh. Magka-duty. O, kaya siguro nagkaganon, hindi makalakwatsa yung anak. At marami na ako dito na na anak ng dating estudyante o biro mo. Diyos ko, duday. Para kung ano na ba ang tawag sa akin, uncle. Uncle. Okay? Next, okay. This is family planning by DOH, responsible parenthood. Okay. Four pillars of reproductive bill or reproductive health law. Number one, responsible parenthood, respect for life, birth spacing, and informed choice. Okay. Responsible parenthood, kailangan alam nila ang proper parenting. Alam nila ang kanilang right and duty to determine the desired number of children. And responsible parenting, very, very important yan. Okay? Proper upbringing, education of their children. Kaya pag ikaw nagbuntis ang dag-anak, responsibilidad mo talagang palakihin sila at pag-aralin. Okay? So dapat productive and civic-minded citizen. Okay, yan dapat ng responsible parenthood. Palakihin mo ng maayos yung mga anak mo. Okay? Respect for life. Okay? Protects the sanctity of life. Abortion is not a family planning method. Okay? Birth spacing, kailangan ng birth spacing. Ideal natin, minimum 3 years so that the mother can recover her health, to recover her health. And informed choice, pag sinabi natin informed choice, we will inform them about the different methods of family planning, how to use them, pero sinong mamimili? Okay? Silang mag-asawa ang mamimili. Okay? 10 months age gap naming magkapatid. Oo, ganyan din yung mga kapatid ko. Yung pangatlo, pang-apat, 10 months. Yung pang-apat, pang-lima, 10 months. Tapos ako, bunso, pang-lima, pang-anim, 3 years. O, di ba? Okay, mamaya, i-discuss natin yung nanay ko. Okay. Okay, so these are the different natural family planning methods. So how many types, main types of family planning methods? Okay, 3. Abstinence, LAM, fertility awareness method. Okay, these are the 3 types of natural family planning method. Naka-upload na to ha, naka-upload na, very, very important. 3 yan, abstinence, LAM, fertility awareness method. Under fertility awareness method, tapos na tayo dito, calendar method, tapos na tayo dyan sa menstrual cycle. 2 days method, 2-day method, cervical mucus test or Billings test, basal body temperature, and symptothermal, lahat yan i-discuss natin ngayong gabi. Okay? I-discuss natin yan ngayong gabi. Pinapakita ko lang muna. Okay? Next natin, artificial. We have 4, hormonal, chemical, mechanical, and surgical. Under hormonal, oral, injectable, implant patch. Under chemical is spermicide. Mechanical, cervical cup, diaphragm, IUD, at condom. Nakalimutan ko, condom. Surgical, BTL, and vasectomy. Okay? ano yan? BTL and vasectomy. Okay. Now, pag-usapan natin, okay? Pag-usapan na natin, iwanan ko na yung PowerPoint na yan. Mas gusto ko magsusulat ako. Okay? Gusto ko magsusulat ako. Okay? Okay. Unahin ulit natin. Okay? Araw-araw sipag lang. Okay. Anong sabi rito sa mga chat? Okay. Are you ready, ha? Ready? Okay. Unahin muna natin natural family planning method. Okay, unahin natin ang natural family planning method. Number 1, abstinence. What do you mean by abstinence? You refrain from vaginal intercourse. Anong klaseng abstinence to? Strict or regular? Strict or regular? Regular lang. Regular abstinence lang. Pag sinabi nating regular abstinence, no vaginal intercourse. Kasi doon lang naman siya pwedeng mabuntis. Okay? Kasi pag sinabi mong strict abstinence, no any form of sexual contact. Mag-asawa sila. Okay? Kasal sila. Okay? So, no any form of sexual contact ang strict abstinence. Walang oral sex, can you follow? Walang masturbation. Okay? Mag-asawa. So, ito, regular abstinence, no vaginal intercourse, dahil doon lang naman siya pwedeng mabuntis. Nagkakaintindihan? Are we clear? Regular lang po, ha? Okay. Now, anong problema sa abstinence? The number one problem in abstinence is self-control. The number one problem is self-control. Okay? So, nagtatalik yung mag-asawa, biglang ang usapan nila, walang vaginal intercourse, okay, eme-eme lang, biglang dumulas. Sabi ng husband, sorry, dumulas. Nagkakaintindihan. Okay. Okay. Nagkaintindihan tayo, ha? Okay. That is abstinence. Pangalawa, eto na, LAM. What do you mean by LAM? Okay? Diyos ko, ang topic natin, contraception. Grabe, aktibong-aktibo ang chat. Active na active, walang tigil, oh. Okay, walang, inhit, sorry po, lactation, ah, ah, ah. Okay. Aktibong-aktibo ngayong gabi ang chat. Okay. What do you mean by lactational amenorrhea method? Lactational amenorrhea method. Breastfeeding causes amenorrhea. Okay? Ang tanong, for LAM to become effective, one word. One word to describe LAM to become effective. Letter E. Letter E. Exclusive. Very good. Okay? Exclusive use of LAM. Very good. Pag sinabi nating exclusive, regular. Regular. At saka F, full-time. Okay? Regular and full-time use of LAM. Tanong sa board exam, how many months protection from pregnancy? How many months protection? Very good. Tamondong, Sabala, Teredor, Opulencia, Elizaya, Reneric, Martin. Very good. 6 months. Okay? 6 months protection from pregnancy. Okay? Now, tanong. Okay? Tanong, how can LAM prevent pregnancy? Kapag ang topic sa exam, methods of contraception, ang wag mong kakalimutan, how will the method prevent the pregnancy? Kasi siguradong tatanungin kayo doon. How will the method prevent pregnancy? Okay, ito yan. Balik natin. Ang knowledge sa contraception ay naka-anchor sa PEG-HOW LPC. PEG-HOW LPC. Third 13, 13, 14, low, high, estroproges, PEG-HOW LPC. Ito ngayon yan. Okay. PEG-HOW LPC. Third day, mababa ang estro. 13th day, mababa ang proges. Okay, ganun yan, di ba? Ganito yan. Stimulate. Lalabas ang FSH, there will be maturation of egg. Tataas ang LH, there will be ovulation. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, eto yung ngayon yan. How will LAM prevent pregnancy? Exclusive breastfeeding, full-time breastfeeding keeps the level of estrogen PAC high. Okay? Tataas ang estrogen because of breastfeeding. Pag tumaas, okay? Pag tumaas ang ating estrogen because of breastfeeding, hypothalamus is not triggered to start another menstrual cycle. Kaya hypothalamus will not produce FSHRF. Okay? If hypothalamus is not producing FSHRF, your APG will not release FSH. Kung walang FSH, anong effect? Anong effect kung walang FSH? Walang maturation of egg. Very good. Kung walang maturation of egg, edi walang ovulation. How will LAM prevent pregnancy? By preventing ovulation. Bakit walang ovulation? Walang maturation ng egg. Because estrogen, breastfeeding keeps the level of estrogen high. For how many months? 6 months. Okay? For 6 months. Okay? Eto nga yung tanong. Sabi ng pasyente, nurse, 2 months na akong naglalam. Okay? Sa June, ang ika-6 month ko. Nagkaintindihan ha? 2 months na siya sa kanyang lam. June, tapos na ang lam niya. Tanong niya, can I continue breastfeeding after 6 months? Sagot. Sagot. Yes. Because breastfeeding is good until how many years of age? Hanggang ilang taon? Very good. Ang breastfeeding pwedeng 2. Pero konti lang naman ang mga nanay na nagpapadede hanggang 2. Sa probinsya marami. Kapag mahirap ang buhay, no choice. Dede na lang. Okay? Pero pag nasa bandang urban area ka at ayaw mo hanggang 2 years old. Bakit karamihan ng nanay ayaw paabutin ng kahit na more than 1 year eh. Yung iba, hindi lang working. May ngipin na yung baby. May ngipin na ang baby mo. 1.5 taon. Nanggigil sa nipple mo, kinagat ang nipple ng nanay. Aray, 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 aray. Kaya minsan, hindi sinasadya, natatampal ng nanay yung bibig ng baby niya kasi reflex biglang kinagat. Aray, aray. Can you follow? Ang sakit kaya nun. Okay? Correct? Pero pag si tatay ang kumakagat, dahan-dahan. Nagkakaintindihan tayo. Okay, clear tayo ha? Clear. Okay. Now ang tanong ni Mrs. Nurse, can I use LAM after 6 months? No, but you can continue breastfeeding your baby. But you are no longer protected from pregnancy. Okay, pwede ka na magbuntis. Kasi after 6 months, kahit nagdedede ka, bababa na ang level ng estrogen. Mag-start na si hypothalamus, mag-produce ng FSH-RF, si APG, FSH, mag-start na mag-mature ng egg cell. Ganun ba? So, can I continue breastfeeding my baby after 6 months? Oo. Pero no longer protected na ako pregnancy? Oo. Ano yung artificial method of contraception na pwede kong i-combine, okay, with breastfeeding? Okay, very good. Ang pwede niyang i-combine, PAP. PAP. Dalawang klase po ang oral pills. Tingnan natin ang oral pills. 2 types. Number 1, COCP, combined oral contraceptive pills, COC, and then you have PAP, progestin only pill. Okay? Combined oral contraceptives and progestin only pill. Pag sinabi natin combined oral contraceptives, ilang hormones ang laman? 2. Estro, progest. Ito, progesterone lang. COC. Sa nagsisimula ang COC. Sa nagsisimula ang COC, C. How about PAP? Sa nagsisimula ang PAP, P. COC, 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 contraindicated in breastfeeding. PAP, 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 letter P, pwede sa breastfeeding. Pag yan nakalimutan mo pa, ewan na lang ha. Okay. PAP, pwede or permitted. COC, contraindicated. So therefore, what hormone is contraindicated in breastfeeding? What hormone? Estrogen. Pag ang tinake ni Mrs. while breastfeeding ay COC, yung estrogen will affect milk production. Okay? Kaya ang pwede for breastfeeding is PAP. So ulitin natin. Nurse, I'm 2 months in my LAM, lactation amenorrhea method. Okay? Can I combine it with contraceptive method? Anong sagot? Yes. Anong klase? PAP, PAP, PAP. Pwede. Nagkakaintindihan tayo. Okay? Pop, 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 pwede. Okay? Clear? Are we clear? Clear. Okay. Iwanan natin ang LAM. Okay? Iwanan natin ang LAM. Okay? Okay tayo, ha? Sige, isang review na lang ng LAM. Isang review na lang LAM. One more time. Lactational amenorrhea method. Under lactational amenorrhea method, breastfeeding, okay, exclusive, full-time, regular, protects pregnancy for how many months? For how many months? 6 months. Okay? How can LAM breastfeeding prevent pregnancy? Breastfeeding keeps the level of estrogen high or low? High. Kung high yan, would there be hypothalamic activity? May hypothalamic activity? Wala. May APG activity? Wala. Kung walang APG, lalabas bang FSH? Wala. Kung walang FSH, would there be maturation of egg cell? Wala. Kung walang maturation ng egg cell, walang ovulation for 6 months. Pero after 6 months, can she continue breastfeeding the baby? Yes. Until what year of age? 2. Okay, because breastfeeding is best. Okay? Ang tanong, is she protected from pregnancy after 6 months? No. Can she take pills? Yes. What type of pills? Pop. Okay? Progestin only pill pwede, permitted for breastfeeding. Ano yung bawal? Coke. Anong hormone ang meron sa coke na wala sa pop? Estro. Very good. Clear tayo, ha? Okay. Good. Nag-a-admit ako. View. Okay. Nilalaro ko kayo? Uy, nilalaro mo po kami. Uy, linawin mo yung words mo, ha? Hindi ko kayo nilalaro. Okay? Naku, naka-record to. Baka mamaya may matched ako, ha? Walang lalaro dito. Ayokong matched. Any question? Okay. Next. Nasa na tayo? Okay. Clear tayo, ha? Clear. Okay. Next. Punta tayo ng FAM. What do you mean by FAM? Fertility Awareness Method. Fertility Awareness Method. Okay. Ito ang concept sa FAM. Pagtingnan mabuti. The father and the mother should undergo counseling about family planning and contraception so that they can cooperate very well with one another. Gone are the days na ang tinuturuan lang natin ay nanay only during mother's class. Hindi na uso yon. Dapat kasama ang husband, kasama si partner. Kasi pag sinabi ng husband, okay, sabi ng husband nung gabi, bilisan mo maghugas ng pinggan. Bakit? Pasok na tayo sa kwarto. Oo, hindi ako pwede. Bakit? Malabnaw yung fluid na lumalabas sa akin, stretchy siya eh. Hindi ko alam yan. Isa lang ang alam ko, gusto ko ngayon. Okay. Yon. Okay, so dapat kasama ng husband. Okay? Kasama na ang husband. Nagkakaintindihan tayo. Okay? Father and mother should receive counseling. Okay? Klaro tayo, ha? Klaro. O baka nandiyan si nanay. Pwede pang mag-join dito sa mga sinanay nyo. Okay. O si ate. Ate, join ka dito, makinig ka. Okay? Kasi si ate baka mamaya may boyfriend. Si kuya, buong pamilya. Ilagay ang laptop sa gitna sa sala o kaya sa dining table o ikot kayo doon. Okay? Nanay, tatay, kuya, ate, makinig kay Sir V. Okay? Grabe to. Okay? Ano to, no? Health teachings, family health teaching for 771 family. Okay. Nandito po katabi ko si tatay at saka si nanay bonding. Okay. Oo. Wag naman si Lola, ikaw naman, no? Okay. Nasa na tayo? Okay. Punta tayo ng FAM, Fertility Awareness Method. Okay. Yan. Oo, dapat marinig ni kuya para hindi makabuntis si kuya. Okay? Maplano nila ng maigi. Okay, punta tayo sa FAM, Fertility Awareness Method. What are the different types of FAM? FAM. Number 1, calendar method. Number 2, cervical mucus test. Number 3, basal body temperature. Yes. Question. Raven Santos, may question?
Ayun na.
I thank you. Okay. Next, we have your number 4, the two-day method. Ito, bagong-bago to. Two-day method. At number 5, symptothermal method. Symptothermal method. Okay. Unahin natin. Okay. O may nagpaturo daw ng kapatid, -14. Okay. Calendar method, alam na yan. Anong unang tanong sa babae? Regular or irregular? Okay, ang sagot niya, regular. Ang sagot niya, 30-day cycle. Menstruation, ovulation, menstruation, day 1, day 30, -14, 16. 5 araw ang regla ni Mrs. ng babae, 16 minus 5, 11. 16 plus 3, 19. That's the fertile window. Alam mo na yan, kagabi pa, kagabi pa. Kailan siya safe? 20 to 30. Kailan siya safe? 1 to 10. Safe. Safe, safe. Are we clear? Okay. Kuha yan ha, kuha. Okay. Pasensya na, hindi ko mabasa, ang bibilis eh. Okay. Clear? Clear? Okay. Yon, aktibong-aktibo sila ngayon. Check na tayo dyan sa calendar method. Check na tayo dyan. CMT, cervical mucus test. Etong tanong ko sa inyo, ladies, mga babae. Ladies, etong tanong ko. Huling araw ng regla mo ngayon. Ito yung cervix mo, ito yung vagina mo. We're talking about cervical mucus. Huling araw ng regla mo ngayon. Bukas, in terms of cervical mucus, are you dry or wet? Dry, 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 dry. Bakit yung ibang babae wet? Parehong kipi lang naman yan. Okay? Dry, 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 dry. Biglang nag-wet. Okay? Dry. Okay? Malapot-lapot. Thick yun. Okay? Ganito yun. I-check natin. Menstruation, ovulation, menstruation, day 1 to 5, may menstrual period. Day 28, day 14. Kailan siya fertile? 9 to 17. Fertile. Tama? Kailan siya safe? 6, 7, 8, safe. Tapos, 18, 19 to 28, safe. Ito yan. Huling araw ng regla. Bukas, in terms of cervical mucus, are you wet or dry? Dry. Kaya kung dry, it will not support movement of the sperm in the cervix. Masyadong malapot yung mucus mo. Hindi makalangoy yung sperm, parang kumunoy. Can you follow? Kaya safe ka rito, safe ka rito, safe ka rito. Pagdating ng day 9, 5 days before ovulation, lumalabnaw na siya. That will now support movement of the sperm. Are we clear? Kaya dito, dry, 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 wet, 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 dry, dry, dry. Okay? So ito dry, ito wet, ito dry. Are we clear? Okay, eto ngayon tanong. What are the characteristics of fertile cervical mucus? Okay? Characteristic of fertile cervical mucus. Number 1, watery. Kung watery, scant or abundant. Pag sinabi mong scant, kaunti. Abundant siya ngayon, madami. Since watery and abundant, kumusta ang cervical mucus? Thin or thick? Thin. Kung ito ay thin, ito ba ay clear or cloudy? Clear. Number 5, elastic. Okay? And number 6, slippery. Okay? Watery, abundant, thin, clear, elastic, and slippery. So these are the characteristics of fertile cervical mucus. Ano naman yung unfertile cervical mucus? Less watery, scant, thick, cloudy, non-elastic, non-slippery. Okay? Now, ang tanong natin dito, how elastic the cervical mucus is. Get a sample of your cervical mucus, kukuha ka, rub it between your thumb and index finger, okay? Rub it between your thumb and index finger and try to stretch. Can you follow? Try to stretch. Okay. Gaano haba mo siya ma-stretch? 5 to 10 cm without breaking. 5 to 10 cm without breaking. Kaya ano ang ibang tawag sa cervical mucus test? Okay? Ano ang ibang tawag sa cervical mucus test? Spin-Barkay. Spin-Barkay test. Elastic siya. Very good. Ano pa? Billings test. Very good. Okay? Billings test, Spin-Barkay, okay? At saka Creighton method. Very good. Okay. Very good. Bihirang nakakaalam ng Creighton. Galing. Okay, mga 4th year siguro to. Creighton's method. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Very good. Rodriguez, sino yun? Nagsabi, Austria, Jana. Very good, very good. Okay. Giancarlo. Very good, very good. Okay. Clear tayo, ha? Clear. Now, ang tanong, when is the best time to get a sample of the cervical mucus? Morning, afternoon, evening? Morning, afternoon, evening, morning. Okay? The answer is morning. Kasi marami siya sa umaga na ipon. Tanong, before arising from the bed, after arising from the bed? After arising from the bed kasi kailangan mo mag-hand washing. Kasi kung ito yung kama, umagang-umaga si Mr. tulog, si Mrs. gising, anong ginawa ni Mrs.? Kumuha. Yon. Kumuha. Natabig niya si Mister, nagising si Mister. Hala, pagkakita niya, mami-misinterpret, bakit ka nagsosolo? Oh, hindi mo na ba ako kailangan? Okay. Ay, sorry, chinecheck ko lang kung fertile ako. So, kailangan niyang bumangon at maghugas ng kamay. Nagkakaintindihan. Diyos ko, mga terminology ng mga kabataang ito. Oo. Any question? Daming alam. Aktibong-aktibo talaga ang chat ngayong gabi. Questions so far? Okay. Clear tayo, ha? Clear. Okay, good. Now, ang tanong, may mga babae na hindi ganoon kakampante na kumuha ng cervical mucus niya. She doesn't want to touch herself. May mga ganong babae, okay? Some women do not want to touch themselves, okay? Kaya, anong kapalit ng cervical mucus test sa mga babaeng ayaw kumuha ng cervical mucus sa sarili nila? Very good. Anong asawa yung papadukutin? Sino sumagot nun? Sino yung sumagot doon? Asawa ang papadukutin. Ayan. Pag asawa ang dumukot, mapupunta sa iba yan. Mabubuntis yan. Okay? Okay. Ano ang kapalit? Okay? Ang kapalit, 2-day method. Okay? 2-day method. Balik natin yung kanina. Menstruation, ovulation, menstruation, day 1, day 28, day 14, bagong-bago yan, 5 araw ang kanyang menstrual period, 5 days. Kailan siya safe? 6, 7, and 8, safe. Dry. Tapos, yes, Oliver. Okay. 9 to 17, fertile. Wet ang cervical mucus. 18 to 28, dry ang cervical mucus, kaya safe. Are we clear? Are we clear? Okay. Kuha yun, ha? Okay. Dalawa lang ang tanong mo sa 2-day method kung ayaw niyang dumukot sa sarili niya. Okay? Dalawa lang. Ganito yung tanong. Okay. Kumusta ang cervical mucus mo kahapon at ngayon? Okay, pag-usapan natin. Ngayon ay day 7. Kumusta ang cervical mucus niya kahapon? Dry. Kumusta ngayon? Dry. Very safe. Kasi kung dry, hindi makausad yung semilya. Hindi makausad yung semilya, mamamatay. Okay? Dry, dry ang sagot, safe. Okay. Pag-usapan natin day 9. Day 9 ngayon. Kumusta po, Mrs. ang cervical mucus mo kahapon? Day 8, dry. Eh ngayon, wet ka na. Bawal na. Pag meron ng wet, bawal na. Dry, wet, bawal na. Okay? Bawal na. Oh, another example. Day 10 ngayon. Kumusta ang cervical mucus mo kahapon? Day 9, wet. Ngayon, day 10, wet pa rin. Wet, wet. Wet, wet. Lalong bawal. Wet, wet. Lalong bawal. Okay? Ang bilis ng ano niyan. Andar ng mga, ano to, similya ng tatay, ng lalaki. Punta tayo ng day 18. Day 18. Kumusta ka kahapon? Wet. Kumusta ka ngayon? Dry. Wag muna. Wag muna. 19. Kumusta ka kahapon? 18. Dry. Kumusta ka ngayon? Dry. Pwede na. Okay? Nagkakaintindihan tayo, ha? Okay. Clear. Ang dali niya, di ba? Ano lang ang pwede? Dry, dry. Wet, dry, bawal. Dry, wet, bawal. Wet, wet, lalong bawal. Oh, clear tayo. Clear tayo. Okay. Ulit. Sabihin kung pwede o hindi. Yes or no. Dry, dry. Yes. Dry, wet. No. Wet, dry. No. Wet, wet. No. Kaya si Mrs. tinext yung husband niyang nasa trabaho. Didi. Didi. Nagkaintindihan. Okay? Didi. Okay? Klara tayo, ha? Okay. On the way na daw. OTW na. On the way na daw. Didi the best. Okay. Clear sa two-day method. Alam ko ang two-day method, parang 8 years or 10 years pa lang siyang ginagamit. Okay? Mm. Clear tayo, clears. Ang dami raw natututunan. Okay? Oh, okay lang yung mga natutunan, pero wag nyo munang itry. Baka mamaya bigla mo akong sitahin, Sir B, mali yung tinuturo mo. At bakit? Nabuntis ako. I-interviewin kita. Paano mo ginawa? Paano mo ginawa? Yan. Okay? Nagkaintindihan tayo. Okay. Next, BBT. BBT, Basal Body Temperature Test. Okay? Oo, marami na sa akin kumuhang ninong. Okay? Ninong sa binyag at ninong sa kasal. O, di ba? Okay. Marami na. Okay. Any question? Okay. BBT, Basal Body Temperature Test. Okay? Ang tanong, anong gagamitin natin ditong hormone? What hormone increases basal body temperature? Progesterone. Okay? Third, 13, 13, 14, low, high, estroproges. On what day of the menstrual cycle progesterone is lowest? Oh, progesterone is lowest, 13. Progesterone highest, 14. Okay. Kaya, anong gagawin natin? Basal body temperature. Kailan kinukuha ang BBT? Morning, afternoon, evening. Morning. Stable siya sa morning. Okay? Stable ang accurate ang BBT in the morning. Tanong sa board. Before arising from the bed, after arising from the bed. Before. Very good. Bakit before? Bakit before? Activity in the morning, food intake in the morning can increase temperature. Yes or no? Yes. Very good. Okay, very good. Very good. Kaya ano ang gagawin mo bago matulog? Anong ipe-prepare mo bago matulog? Thermometer at the bedside. Thermometer at the bedside. Very good. Okay. Ako yung si Mrs. Mm, mm, ah, ah. Okay. So, siyempre kailangan ano 'yun, realistic ang aktingan. Can you follow? Pinoy record. Kailangan may record ka, okay? So paano 'yon? Ganito, okay? So 37, 37.9, 0.8, 0.7, 0.6, 0.5. So this is 36.5. 0.4, 0.3. So 37. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 37.5. Yan siya. Huwag na natin hanggang 37 na lang. Okay? Example. Ito siya. So day 11, day 12, day 13, day 14. Ito ang kanyang day ng ovulation. Third, 13, 13, 14, low, high, estro, yes. Okay. Kailan pinakamababa ang progesterone level? 13th day. Kaya for example, ang normal temperature, 37. Ayan. Nung day 11, ang kanyang temperature, 36.5. Okay. Nung day 12, 36.6. Okay. Nung day 13, bumaba nag 36.4 for example. Pagdating ng day 14, gaanong tinataas ng temperature kung fertile ang babae? Okay. 0.2 to 0.5 degrees centigrade. Very good. 0.2 to 0.5. Yung iba, 0.3 to 0.6. Yung iba, 0.2 to 0.4. Ang answer natin, average, 0.2 to 0.5. Okay? So, kung 0.5 ang tinaas yan, 36.9. Yun siya. Okay? Biglang taas. Okay. As a decrease followed by an increase. That increase signals ovulation. Okay? At tataas siya ng 3 araw. Okay? It remains high for 3 days. Kaya kung regular ang cycle mo, okay, mape-predict mo na kung kailan ka nagkakaroon ng sudden increase, a decrease followed by an increase. Nagkakaintindihan tayo. Okay. Ano ang limitation ng BBT? Wala kang thermometer. Pangalawa, okay, correct, may fever. Febrile yung pasyente, may lagnat. Hindi pwede. Okay? Kuha tayo, ha? Kuha. Good. That's your BBT. Next, what does the DOH recommends? The DOH recommends the use of symptothermal method. Pag sinabi nating symptothermal method, combination of CMT and BBT. Kaya ang tanong, okay? Tanong, anong unahin mo? BBT before CMT, CMT before BBT? BBT. Kasi anong BBT? Before arising from the bed. Ang CMT, after arising from the bed. Kaya what does the DOH recommend the couple to use? Ang nire-recommend nila, calendar method plus symptothermal. Okay? Kaya kung i-analyze mo, halos pinagamit lahat. Tama? Nag-calendar ka na, nag-CMT ka pa, nag-BBT ka pa. Di isabay mo na 2-day method. Lahat na gamitin mo. Okay? Okay. Let's put them all together. Put them all together. Menstruation, ovulation, menstruation. Day 1, day 28. Ovulation 14. 5 days, meron siyang menstrual period. Kailan siya ulit fertile? 9 to 17, fertile. Kailan siya safe? 6, 7, 8, safe. Tapos dito, 18 to 28, safe. Analyze natin. May nag-open ng cam. I-analyze natin. Check. Anong unang ginawa? Calendar method. Scan, cloudy. Scan, cloudy, non-elastic, non-slippery. 2. Cervical mucus test. Ito naman, slippery, abundant, clear, and thin cervical mucus test. Tama? Kumusta ang temperature dito? Mababa, 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 mababa. Pagdating ng 13, mababa. Pagdating ng 14, taas. Anong ginamit? BBT. Dry, dry, dry. Wet, 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 wet. Dry, dry, dry. Two-day method. Okay tayo? Kaya ang tanong, anong klaseng couple, especially si Mrs., ang gumagamit ng lahat ng natural family planning method na yan? Anong behavior or behavior meron siya? Very good, De La Cruz Maria Elizabeth. Ritualistic behavior. Okay? Routinary. Okay? Routinary at saka ritualistic. Matyaga. Araw-araw. Nag-compute na siya, nag-monitor siya ng temperature, dumukot pa siya, dry or wet. Yon. May tiyaga. Okay? Nagkakaintindihan tayo. Yes, Ganal?
Clarify ko lang, sir. Ang sabi niyo po kasi is yung sa two-day method is alternative po siya for CM.
Hmm.
Pero ang sabi niyo po is hindi itatouch ng mother yung self niya. So, paano po malalaman kung wet or dry?
Ang makikita mo doon, halos walang lumalabas sa cervical mucus mo. Can you follow? 'Di ba merong mga araw na ladies, okay? Wala kang mens pero may pad ka. Meron kang panty liner kasi malakas yung labas ng inyong cervical mucus. Yes or no? Yes. Mapipil mo naman yun eh. Ladies, feel nyo ba kung kayo ay wet or dry? Yes. Ayan o. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Yon. Can you follow? Nasa panty lang po ba makikita? Mapang... Can you follow? Okay.
Sir, may tanong po ako.
Yes.
Di ba sa two-day method po,
Ano yun?
bakit
Medyo
po
choppy ka?
bawal
Ano yun?
bakit po bawal i-touch nung babae yung self niya?
Hindi bawal i-touch ng babae yung self niya. Ang sabi ko, may mga babae na hindi sanay at hindi komportable i-touch yung sarili nila. Kaya kung ang babae ayaw niya ng cervical mucus test, ayaw yung dumudukot siya sa sarili niya, di mag-ano na lang siya, two-day method. Kaya
Okay po.
yun. Kasi
Yes,
meron mga
sir.
babaeng hindi nagmamasturbate. Kasi ang masturbation sa babae, KFC. Ano daw yung KFC? Kailangan ko ba bang isa-isahin? Kailangan ko ba bang i-spell out lahat? Finger licking good. Kung ang babae nagke-KFC, anong katumbas kay lalaki? Lato-lato. Any questions so far? Okay? Naglalaro, lato-lato. Klaro tayo. Okay, imbis na makinig na nagluluto. Okay. Ano? Ang dami niyong alam. Clear tayo? Diyos ko. Galaw ng galaw ang chat. Okay. Nagkakaintindihan tayo. Okay? Hindi raw naghihiwalay yung itlog sa lato-lato na naghihiwalay. Iba naman kasi yung tinitignan mo. Okay? Clear tayo, ha? Clear. Pambantok daw ba to? Parang lahat nagigising. Okay. O sino to si Clark? Nagising si Clark. Naku, Clark, nandiyan ba ang nanay mo?
Nasa banyo, sir.
Sabihin mo makinig. Baka mamay masundang ka pa. Clear tayo, ha? Clear. Okay. Nasaan na tayo? Okay. Biro mo, nagkaroon ng bunso si Clark. Si Clark, ilang taon na ngayon? 18 ka na ba, Clark?
19 po.
O, 19. Tapos yung bunsong kapatid, 1 year old. Bakit contradicting yata yung 2 days sa calendar? Hindi siya contradicting. Paano mo nasabing contradicting yung calendar, okay, doon sa 2-day method? Ibalik natin. Menstruation, ovulation, menstruation. Day 1, 1 to 5, meron siyang menstrual period. Tapos 6, 7, and 8, dry dito. Tapos pagdating ng 9 to 17, wet dito. Tapos 18 to 28, dry dito. Hindi siya contradicting. Correct? Nag-cervical mucus test siya, nag 2-day test siya.
Bigyan niya
Ano
daw ako
dito?
pinakasakit.
Non-elastic. Tama.
Nabenta niya 600 nga
Ito, pinakamahal lahi ng aso sa mundo.
Baliw po.
Rawr. Kinahulan. Tama. Tapos dito naman, wet. Kaya elastic siya, slippery, clear. Can you follow? Tapos ito naman, dry ulit, non-elastic. Yes, Romero.
Sir, yung 17 and 18, di ba pag wet dry, sabi mo
Oo.
hindi pwede.
Oo.
Yung 18 to 28 niya, sir, sa calendar method, safe na yan eh.
Oo, dito lang merong overlap. 'Yon, at saka ito. Yun lang. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina. For example, ito sa calendar method, yung ibang mag-asawa, sinasacrifice yung day 8. Bakit sinasacrifice yung day 8? Safe pa rin naman yun. Takot sila kasi kinabukasan, fertile na sila. Lalo na kung makipagtalik sila dito ng day 8. 11:58 p.m. Last 2 minutes. Can you follow? Okay. Clear tayo. Okay. Ito din naman, ito ay fertile, ito safe, pero wag na lang. Okay? Ang maganda kasi sa 2-day method, dry. Ito lang yung konting may overlap. Ito rin merong overlap. Clear tayo, Romero?
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. I like that. Students asking questions. Okay? Okay, next natin. Sa mga irregular, doon tayo sa artificial. Okay, tapos tayo ng natural family planning method. Okay, good. Punta tayo ngayon ng artificial family planning method. Under artificial family planning method, number 1, hormonal. Number 2, chemical. Number 3, mechanical. Other ng mechanical, barrier. Okay? At saka surgical. Ito yung pinakita ko kanina. Hormonal. I-summarize muna natin ha, para hindi kayo malito. Hormonal, oral. Hormonal, injectable. Hormonal, implant. Hormonal, patch. Patch. Oral, dalawa. Number of hormones at number of pills. Sa hormones, dalawa, Coke at saka POP. Number of pills, 28-day POP at 21-day POP. Okay? Nagkakaintindihan tayo. Okay. Injectable. Most common example ng injectable, Depo-Provera. Implant, Implanon. Patch, Orto, Evra. Yung. Depo-provera, Implanon, Ortoebra. Okay? Chemical, spermicide. Forms,